My name's Mary Smith, and the title of the book is Drunk Chickens and Burnt Macaroni, Real Stories of Afghan Women, and it's published by Indigo Dreams Publishing and in the non-fiction category. Drunk Chickens and Burnt Macaroni is about the women of Afghanistan. I wanted to present a different perspective from the one that we usually see on the news, which shows women, well, if it shows women at all, it shows them very much as helpless victims. And when I was working in Afghanistan and I was teaching the women in the villages, and they were incredibly strong women. They were women who were determined to have a better life for them, for their children. And so it's their stories. The People's Book Prize is such a good platform because it is very much about the kind of books that people want to read. To have got through to the finals is absolutely amazing because it's people who've read the book and enjoyed it and have voted for it. So I think it's absolutely fantastic that we've got this.